Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment platform and to give you my sincere recommendation after my review. Alright, in today's video, I will be sharing with you the information that is 30% off IPC trading bots. 30% discount on IPC trading bots. So enjoy the discount while promo lasts. Online wealth creation method. Okay, so IPC is an acronym for Intelligence Prime Capital. IPC is a broker, and they have provided a very effective embedded AI software, that is a bot in which it helps you to trade forex and make you can make between 10 to 45% on your capital on monthly basis. So you have been given 30% off of the IPC trading bot now, and I will be sharing with you how you can go about it, how to purchase it, how to get it done, how to set up your account, how to link it up with your MT4 trading app and the rest. But before I go deep into this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So in this channel, as I said earlier, I review online investment platform, and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can be the basis of your decision. So here is for financial education. You are the one to decide on what you want to do, and you can also do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of these online investments that have been discussed here. All right, and also don't forget that it is very important that you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates, so that you are not going to miss out on any of the information that will be dropped here. If you have any question concerning this video or any of the contents on LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, you can contact me through this email address here, lasojenic@gmail.com, or through this WhatsApp number. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on financial education through the Telegram channel. Alright, so and if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family. Try to give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, so that it can reach many people that has been anticipating for an information like this. Alright, quickly, so what we have today is 30% off IPC trading bots. Enjoy the discount while promo lasts. Enjoy the discount while promo lasts. So let me take you to the platform. So this is my my account on IPC. This is my account on IPC. So right now the latest information we have here is about the reduction in price, that is the discount on the bots. So let me show you the information here. Okay, I think I will need to reload this. Okay, so let me log in back. Sorry. So welcome back. The first information that we have here is a notice. They are trying to tell us that we should be very careful with our accounts. So attention, IPC has made aware that there have been scammers that are impersonating IPC officials on Telegram. We would like to remind our users that we do not offer any customer support on Telegram. So don't be scammed. Don't be carried away by false information that is roaming about on Telegram. IPC is telling everyone that they have no customer support on Telegram. So if anyone tell you that you should drop your login details on Telegram, or they are trying to give you some stipend there, then please do it at your own risk. Just do it at your own risk, because this is the information that they are passing to us right now, so that our account can be fully secured. Okay, so now that is the latest information. So the information about the reduction in price of the IPC bot is what I want to share with you. So, and here it is. Okay, it's all about love season. Celebrate with IPC Capital's amazing offer. enjoy 30% of all AIA bots now if you missed out on previous promotion. So for now, there are 30% discounts on all the bots, either genius bot, smart bot, or and the third bot. There are three bots. Okay, so now for you to get the bot, after you have successfully registered your account and after you have been verified, so you just need to come down here. You need to come to your dashboard. You click on the subscription. You click on the subscription here. You can see Brilliant Bot, Genius Bot, and a Smart Bot. The Brilliant Bot, it was initially sold for $50, while Genius Bot, it was $100, and Smart Bot was $20. You can see now. So we have been given 30% on all these bots. 30% on all these bots. So this is an opportunity for you to acquire any of the three based on the financial strength. So, and in Genius Bot, you earn up to 45% on your capital. For Brilliant Bot, you earn up to 30% of your capital, and for Smart Bot, you earn up to 15% of your capital. For the that of Brilliant Bot, the total number of investors that is using this one is now 1,478, and their total capital is 316,197, and for that of Genius Bot, the total user is now 131,650, and their total capital right now is 21,032,109 and for that of SmartBot, the total number of users is now 792, and their total capital is 97,704. So you can go for any of these bots based on your financial strength. All right, so it is working perfectly. The bot is working perfectly. So let me show you my dashboard, and I can show you the results of today's trade. So right now I have $1061.15 in MT4 trading capital in MT4 trading hub. This is the current capital there. So let me show you the report. MT4 closed trades report. Okay, so this is my account here. So search, so you can see. Okay, I didn't choose the date. Let me choose the date. Today is 8, close date 8, search. Okay, you can see now. Can see buy AUD 03 and profit of 71 cents was made here. 1.14. okay, sorry, let me close this. So you can see how the trades goes. So it shows that they are truly trading. So the bot is linked up with your MT4 trading app. This linked up with your MT4 trading app. So that is how it goes. This linked up. So it shows that truly they are trading forex, unlike so many other online platforms that claim to be trading forex on behalf of their investors, and there's nothing as a proof. There is no proof for that. But here, IPC is a regulated broker that is registered with different countries around the world. They are registered with Australian government, US government, Canadian government, and so many other countries endorse them. So I think in my own review, this sounds to be legit, but this is also it also requires you to do your own due diligence research and to check your risk assessment to know how much you can bear it. So just do your own personal findings. This is my own personal findings, and this is my own decision. So you too can take your decision to explore this opportunity that I am sharing with you right now. Okay, so and thousands of people around the world have been benefiting from this. You can see here we have MD pool and we have SD pool. This MD is the managing director. So it's just about the leadership board, and this one is ZETBULL. So if you're a networker, you can earn in several ways. Number one, you can earn through your daily trading activities. Number two, you can earn if you refer a friend and your friends purchased any of the bots, you have a commission on the bot purchased. And if your friend also deposits into the capital account, you have a percentage on that, and also you have a percentage on their trading activities on weekly basis. So there are so many ways whereby you can make money in IPC. If you are a networker, that is very good. So, and for these two sign up referrals that I made a percentage on their deposit and on the bot they purchased. So what if you have like 200 people that sign up under you? So that means that you are going to earn more on them. So you can watch one of my video that I did on the complete review of IPC. Let me show you here. So let me show you the video here. So I did a complete review, that is a complete presentation of IPC. Okay, this is a full presentation, scam or legit. Just take your time to watch this video, then you can have the full information about how IPC works. So for now, the promo is still on. Based on the Love Fiesta season. So you can see and it will, let's check the time that the promotion will lapse. Okay, so promo period in USA between 6 February 2022, 10 GMT -6 to 10th of February Then for France, Italy, Nigeria, Spain, it will also end 10th of February. For India, 10th of February. So the promo will end on the 10th of February 2022. So don't procrastinate, because it may be dangerous. So just make sure that you take your decision, you explore this opportunity. At least 30% of $100, that is $30. You can add that $30 to your capital and you can earn more on that. Alright, so this is an opportunity for you to buy this, to subscribe to any of the bots now at a discounted price. All right, so it's an opportunity for you to explore. During the Christmas, during the New Year, there was a 50% discount on all these bots. So then the Genius bot was sold for $50, the Brilliant bot was sold for $20, Smart bot was sold for $9 then. So this is another opportunity for you to purchase this IPC bot at discounted price. All right, so I believe that it really worth giving a try. So all right, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget to check the channel. There are several videos that have been done in the past. So, and also if you have any investment that you are contemplating to join, you can send me the link so that I can do the review on your behalf, and I'm going to give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own personal decision. Okay, and also if you found this video to be very, very meaningful to you, then don't let it end with you. Try as much as possible to share with your friends and family. It can be an information that many of your friends have been waiting for. So it can be a platform, it can be a channel for them to generate residual or passive income on daily basis. And also it is very, very important that you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you are not going to miss out on any of the subsequent information that will be dropped here. All right, thank you so much once again. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.